Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need a legal path first. Verify the XL100 VIN and that you have proof of ownership. Once done, look for a spare key, key code card, or any manufacturer app that can unlock remotely. Make sure to gather ID, registration, and the vehicle's details before calling for help. Contact a certified locksmith or the dealer. This is fast and avoids damage. Follow instructions they give you and stay with the vehicle until service arrives. Once you've reached a locksmith or dealer, explain the exact situation. No key for an XL100 and confirm you're the registered owner. You'll need to provide VIN and ownership proof. If you have the key code card, give that too since it speeds up key cutting. Make sure to authorize any work in writing, request an itemized quote, and ask about warranty on new keys or reprogramming. Keep communication clear and confirm arrival time. When the locksmith or dealer finishes, test the new key and any remote or immobilizer programming while they are still present. You should confirm the engine starts reliably and all locks work. Make at least one spare key and file records of the service, including receipts and any key codes, with your insurer or in a safe place. If something goes wrong, insist on a supervisor contact and written next steps so you're not left stranded.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.